Hey everybody, I'm Stacy Lynn. Today we're going to be making a scrumptious mushroom and rosemary thyme potatoes. Turn my oven on to high. I'm going to put my olive oil right down into a large skillet. So mine is extra large because I have an extra large family, and I'm usually making recipes about 2 and 3 times the size at least of the recipe. So today I'm really just making the one recipe, but I still have a large skillet. So I'm getting that nice and hot. I'm going to add all the mushrooms. So I'm just going to get them good and wilted. I'm going to put a little bit more olive oil to make sure that they don't burn in any way. I'm also going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Okay, just sprinkle the salt right over the top and then add about half as much pepper. Okay, and give it a good stir. All right, the mushrooms are just right. I like mine to have a little bit of a, I don't like them to be totally sauteed down because I want them to have a little bit of a bite. So I'm removing the mushrooms because it's about time to put the potatoes in. And the pan is still sizzling hot. But I'm going to keep it on high. I have it on high right now. You can do it on medium-high if you like. And if you want your mushrooms to get done faster, it takes probably about 5 to 10 minutes to get them like this. You can cut them more thin, but they won't have as much bite in the end, in the dish. But it'll still be really great. Okay, so now I'm going to just deglaze the pan with a little bit of wine. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to put in my potatoes. Here they go. All right, I've got to put a little olive oil on top of my potatoes. And again, salt and pepper. I'm going to put a little bit of butter also to add a little bit more flavor. The olive oil is great for not burning, but the butter will give you a little bit of flavor, and I'll toss these in just a minute. Once it's melted, I'm going to toss it, and then I'm going to let it sit for just a few minutes so that it can brown on one side, and then I'm going to flip the potatoes so that they can get done on the other side. Now I'm going to add the rosemary. I have some chopped rosemary here. Okay. And the thyme. I've been drying this thyme. It's a little drier than I like to use, but it'll work fine. I'm going to put that in there. Thyme is one of my favorite herbs. I absolutely love it. These are new potatoes, and I quartered them. You can half them, but it'll take a little bit longer to get ready. So I quartered mine. I'm going to add the garlic now. Here we go. Mix it up, let that kind of get a little bit toasted, but that will burn really fast, so you're going to want to put the mushrooms in. Look at that. Okay. The final touch, which is the cream. So I just pour the cream right over, and this is about a 3/4 cup of cream. Okay, let that warm up, probably about 30 seconds, and you are ready to serve this alongside of a wonderful steak, flank steak, venison, a chicken dish. Can you just imagine a chicken dish? Just putting a chicken over this. Oh my goodness, that would be so good. One thing I'd like to add to this is a squeeze of lemon juice. That's going to brighten the whole dish. Good night, that looks delicious. I cannot wait to taste it. Well, anyway, I hope you'll go and look at my other recipes on stacylynnharris.com. You can get them, you can download them straight to your computer, you can print them, whatever you want to do. I'm so excited about this. I'm going to go have some steak and this wonderful side dish, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. I'm Stacy Lynn.